about transaction management, it focuses on four properties. Just a second. One, two, three, four. Four properties are there, which are most commonly known as acid properties. Acid, ACID. First one, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. What is the first one? Just a second. Let me try to. Ah, what are those guys? Please tell me. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Just hang on. My mistake. I'm going to. Okay. Copy it and fine. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Whenever you are performing a transaction management, we need to keep in mind all these four properties. These are most commonly known as acid properties. Acid properties. Actually, in interview point of view, this plays a crucial role. Acid properties. What are acid properties? Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. I repeat, what do you mean by transaction management? What do you mean by transaction management? Transaction management revolves around one principle. What is that principle? Everything or do nothing. One more time. One more time. What do you mean by this transaction management? Transaction management revolves around one principle. What is that? Do everything or do nothing. If we want to deal with this transaction management, we need to first do three things. What are those three things? First, disable the auto commit. After that, write our own logics. Then after that, we need to use either commit or rollback depending upon our requirements. Now, whenever we are dealing with transaction management, we need to keep 4 points in mind, four properties. What are those acid properties? What are those atomicity, isolation, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Now, what do you mean by this atomicity? What do you mean by this atomicity? Atomicity means once our execution is completed. Okay, let me just try to let it. Ah, please read this. Hang on. Just read. Ensures all operations within a transaction are completed successfully. All the operations, all the operations. Even if one operation fail, the entire transaction is rolled back. That is actually that is actually atomicity. Literal example I'm going to say to you. Uh, Previously, not right now, almost 2 years back, in the year 2024, I went for a petrol bunk and I full tanked my bike. Okay. I'm trying to pay the amount through my credit card. I swiped it. I swiped it. I got a message that 1039, some change, 1039 rupees has been deducted. Okay. From my credit card. But the payment got failed at merchant end. He will be having that machine. In that machine, clearly it is showing payment failed. But what I got a message, payment success. In the machine, payment failed. Are you understanding me? I understood. Okay, I got an idea. Again, I did the same transaction one more time within exactly the same transaction. Are you understanding me? Now, the second time payment got success. Second time also, I got my amount deducted. Am I clear with that? Even first time my amount got deducted, and even though my amount got deducted, second time also why I did the transaction, I know that my amount will be refunded. Yes or no? Atomicity. Atomicity. Means once if you are having any problem at one transaction, again it will be rolled back. I know, I'm 100% sure. Are you understanding the point? That is acid properties. After that, consistency. Online students, I want you to please respond. Am I clear with this? I believe you understand the example what I told you. If possible, please respond. Please respond. Are you getting me? That is actually atomicity. Consistency means any operations means okay. Once the data got detected, for example, we are trying to perform an operation. Let's go like our IRCTC example only. How many tickets are there? 10 tickets are there. I'm trying to book one ticket. That ticket is actually hold. The ticket is hold. Payment got failed. Payment got failed. Again, how many tickets will be available? 10 tickets. Na? Database is in consistent state. Come on, guys. When database will be affected only after payment is success. So this is actually consistency. Consistency. Isolation. Okay. You know what? Isolation means very simple. Our transactions will not be visible to others. Okay, let me make this simple. You guys booked a ticket in Abibus bus journey, ra? You will be trying to book a ticket in bus journey, na? Whenever you're trying to book the ticket in bus journey, some seats will be already filled up. Who booked those? What is his name, age, gender? Okay, gender we'll be able to know, but age you'll not be able to know, na? Come on, isolation. Our transactions will not be visible to others. Isolation. And finally, last one is durability. Durability means once our ticket got confirmed, okay, done, that's it. Once it got confirmed, okay, how to explain this durability for you? For example, just for example, sometimes whenever you're trying to pay through phone pay or Google Pay, you will scan, you will try to enter the amount and you will enter your pin. It will rotate, and your heartbeat will raise. Yes. Why it will raise? Is it going to happen or not? If it is fail, what happen? No, it will happen. Durability. You just once the transaction is done, sometimes what happen, you will be getting some message like please visit later. But shopkeeper will not wait, na. Durability. I mean, in that particular scenario, what we need to do, we should be having a proper internet connection. That's it. The thing is, what durability means, once a transaction is done, it's permanent. Even if system failed also. For example, for example, I'm trying to pay through UPI. I just paid. I entered my PIN. My phone switched off. Let's think that. My phone switched off. Internally background, what happened, once I entered PIN, done. The transaction will be done. Are you understanding me? No, seriously, yes or no? Once you entered the PIN and submit, done. Internal operations will be taken care. Whether your phone is switched off or not, that literally does not matter. That is durability. So all these are the four properties for transaction management. Now we need to deal with transaction management. So before going to that program related to transaction management, but tell me one thing, did you understand what is transaction management? See, the entire transaction management revolves around one principle. What is that? Please tell me, what is that? Do everything or do nothing. And when you're speaking about transaction management, we need to keep in mind three properties, three operations. What are those? Disable the auto commit. Means before beginning the transaction, we need to disable the auto commit. Disabling the auto commit means we need to give it false. False means auto commit will not be enabled. Disable the auto commit. execute the logics, write our own logic, and we need to either commit or roll back. These are the four properties. Is it clear? Please keep your citing as understanding transaction management and have this in your notes right now. Word, please. Make sure to write everything, please. Word. First write, later you can discuss. What? The time is 12:35. Time is running, na? Are you also feeling like same thing or else still the time is 12:30, sir is not leaving? You are going with the second option? Thank you. At least. Come on, go ahead. Is it done? Okay. Continuation. Don't write exactly what is present here. No, guys, listen. Please listen. Listen once. After completing this, atomicity. Don't write what is there. Read, understand what you write in your own statements. Go ahead. I'll upload this entire data in the Google Classroom. That is for sure. Don't write what is there. What you understand, right? Read just one line is also enough for me. One line is also enough. What you understand, right? In your own words. Please don't copy paste. Please don't copy paste. Read and write in your own words. It may be an example, it may be anything. Just read and write. Go ahead. Please don't copy paste. I'll upload these notes in the Google Classroom. Again, I'm saying you. What you understand, right? You can do this. It may be one line, two lines, three lines. I don't mind. It should be your own idea. Is it done? Yes. Right, right. 1 minute. I'll wait for one more minute. All right. Now continue for isolation and durability also. Read and I want you to write in your own words. Please don't copy paste. Your own words. What you understand, right? Try. And tomorrow we are going to write transaction management program. We will take an example for IRCTC. Okay. Most probably if we complete by tomorrow, okay. Otherwise, I'll take one more day also. We'll see transaction management. Sushant, isolation in the sense like whatever the transactions which we done should not be visible to others. That's it. For example, if you're trying to book a ticket in Abibus, I'm speaking about Abibus, you selected one seat, okay, and your transaction failed. Immediately, you will not be able to choose the same seat. If any others persons are trying to choose, they will not be able to select it. We will be able to select that seat only after 10 minutes. Did you ever observe that? Isolation, right? Is it done? Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. I already uploaded this in the Google Classroom and I uploaded the